Today we're covering how to read a concrete contractor quote, 9-line items. Here's what you need to know. A concrete quote is easy to misread. The 5,400 bid often hides a 14,000 replacement 2 winters out. Here are the 9-line items every honest NC quote must include, and the omissions that signal a future failure. Quick answer. A real concrete quote has 9 specific line items in writing: square footage and thickness, concrete spec, reinforcement, subgrade prep, joints and finish, demo, permits, cure protocol, and payment terms with warranty. Bids that hide any of those 9 are not cheaper. They're transferring the cost to you. Payable in cracked concrete 2 winters from now. The honest NC residential driveway range in 2026 is 8.50 to 14 per square foot. Anything below 7 is cutting one of the structural specs. Moving on to why concrete quotes are deliberately easy to misread. Most NC concrete bids are written so apples-to-apples comparison is nearly impossible. A 1-line 5,400 quote next to a 3-page 9,200 quote looks like an obvious win until you realize the cheap bid skipped subgrade prep, called for 3,000 psi instead of 4,000, used wire mesh instead of rebar, omitted saw-cut control joints, and assumed you would haul off the old driveway yourself. The 3,800 difference is not a discount. It is the cost of replacing a failed slab shifted onto you. We covered the broader hiring decision in our recent guide on the 10 questions to ask before signing. This piece is the line item companion. How to read the quote itself. Next up, 1. Total square footage and slab thickness. The quote should state both numbers explicitly. A typical NC 2-car driveway runs 600 to 900 square feet. Thickness should be 4 inches minimum, 5 inches for double car and RV-capable driveways, and 6 inches for any slab that will see truck or trailer loads. Our full guide on driveway thickness standards walks through the load math. A quote that omits thickness is hiding the single most expensive line item. Every extra inch of slab adds roughly 1.10 to 1.40 per square foot in material cost. Let's talk about 2. Concrete sigh, slump, and air entrainment. For an NC residential driveway, the correct spec is 4,000 psi, 4 to 5-inch slump, with 5 to 7% air entrainment for freeze-thaw resistance. We explain the chemistry in our piece on the 4,000 psi secret. A quote calling for 3,000 psi on a driveway saves roughly 300 on a 750 square foot driveway at the cost of a slab that will spall within 3 winters. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.